Why is Irina here? She's here, isn't she? Why did you say that you kissed the ground that I've walked on? That was a stupid thing to say. I don't deserve that. I deserve to be put down. Really, that's what I deserve. I'm so tired. I'm completely exhausted. If I could just sleep. Just sleep. I'm a seagull. No, that's not right. I'm an actress. That's what I am. He's here too. Don't worry, it doesn't matter. It's true. He didn't believe in theater. That was his problem. He used to laugh at me and my ambitions and my dreams all the time. And bit by bit, after a while, I stopped believing in myself too. I lost my faith. And then the worries start. And the problems start. With being in love, and the jealousy starts. And the fear. The constant fear for my baby. I got too small. I couldn't act anymore. I didn't know where to put my hands. I didn't remember where to stand on stage. I couldn't control my voice. You have no idea what it's like when you know you're acting very badly. I am a seagull. No, that's wrong. Do you remember? You shot that bird. A man came along one day, and because he had nothing else to do, he killed it. That's a subject for a short story. What was I saying? Yes, I was talking about the theater. It's not like that nowadays. I'm a real actress nowadays. I love it so much. It makes me feel so happy. There are moments when I'm on stage and I know in my heart that I'm beautiful. I know it. I understand it now, Constantine. In our work, whatever we do, whether we act or we write, it's not about the fame. It's carrying on, having faith, carrying the burden. I have faith now. I have my faith back. Shh! I have to go. I'm going. I have to. When I make it, when I become a great success, come and watch me, won't you? Do you promise? Now.